Over here we have a situation that the gate is basically laying down towards the opening position, so it's basically scratching the floor, and they already cut that bottom so many times and it's still scratching and making noise and burned the motor fuse. So what we basically saw that it's not level. You can see this line where it used to be painted originally close to the wall. So we're just gonna dig the ground, reveal the concrete, underpin it, support from the back here, and secure the gate level, pour concrete, and then come back in a few days to make sure that it's all level and work. And basically that's it.